If you're a business professional, you need to know about the booming testing, inspection, and certification market. Let's dive in. The global testing, inspection, and certification market hit a whopping $233 billion in 2024 and is on track to reach $280 billion by 2029. But what's driving this growth? First, stricter government regulations in sectors like food packaging and automotive are ramping up the need for rigorous testing and compliance. Consumers are demanding safer and more sustainable products, pushing companies to step up their game. And let's not forget technological advancements. Smart sensors, cloud services, and blockchain are revolutionizing the TC landscape. Regionally, North America leads with a 13% CAGR in testing as a service, thanks to technological innovation and major players like Infosys and Cognizant. Europe holds 30% of the global software testing market, driven by stringent data protection laws and digital transformation. Asia Pacific is a rising star, fueled by economic growth and IT sector expansion. In short, the TIC market is a global powerhouse, and its future looks brighter than ever. Stay tuned for more insights from Verified Market Research. Visit our website www.verifiedmarketresearch.com. Connect with us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.